Hello, my name is Annika and welcome to the Sewing Nook. In this video, I'm going to be making a jar cover. To start on this, I'm going to take the lid off and use it as a template and trace around it. Then I'm going to make a larger circle by adding 2 inches all the way around. Once I finish that, I'm going to cut it out, and the fabric that I'm using is a linen cotton mix. Now I'm going to serge around the entire thing. If you don't have a serger, you can just use a zigzag stitch. After that, I'm going to place trim around the entire border, making sure to leave a little extra so I can fold it in and there won't be any fraying. Then I'm going to sew it down, and once I come to the end, I'm going to fold the last one towards the wrong side and then place it over where I started so that there's no raw edge. Now for the fun part, we get to design what we want the top of our cover to say. Now, like I said, I'm using this for buttons, so I want mine to say buttons, and then have like a little flower, but you could use it for honey or for spices or for anything you want, so just get creative with this part. Here's what I got after a few tries, and now I'm going to pick out the colors of embroidery floss that I want. This part did take quite a while for me, but these are the colors I ended up going with. Now I get to embroider it all, and I think this is my favorite process out of the entire project. Alright, so I've just finished my embroidery, and now I'm going to use the jar lid again and cut out a circle from iron-on interfacing and iron that onto the back of my jar lid cover. Alright, now I'm going to place it on top of my jar and put a hair tie around it under where you screwed on, under that, and then use my heat erasable pen and mark around where the hair tie is. And then I'm going to replace my bobbin with elastic thread and change my settings a little bit, and then sew along that line and 2 more lines inward. Now all I have left to do is use the steam from my iron to shrink the elastic a little bit more, and then my jar lid cover is complete. I ended up making another one for one of my other jars because I liked how this one turned out so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't.